Okay, guys, I have to do. Yeah, I'm gonna be right here. Okay. So yeah, I'm gonna be running. So the 280 consolidations, its soundboard is what happened to the soundboard? It's not making any sounds anymore.
I don't know. It's not my end.
Oh. So Challengers were built for passenger service and freight service.
Yes.
What about the big boys, or were they mostly freight?
Big boys were freight only. They never ever used big boys in passenger service, not even as helpers.
Until 2019.
Until 2014 came out. That was the first time in history a big boy had a passenger car that was an actual passenger service.
So with 844 and 30, do you think 4014, 3985, and 844 will triple head?
No, that'll never happen.
Because 3985 has been.
3985 is no longer owned by Union Pacific, and as such, she will more than likely never run on Union Pacific property again.
Because she's now owned by RRHMA,
By Railroad
Heritage of Midwest America,
Railroad Heritage of Midwest America. Yeah, that's right.
along with 5511 and the